Hello children, now second class mathematics. Our chapter name numbers from 10 to 99. Take out your page number 8 children. Take your textbook and open your textbook page number 8. Open it. Take pencil children. What is our chapter? Numbers from 10 to 99. Say number spelling. NUMBERS numbers FROM from 10 to 99. See here 10. So here see heading. Count the bundles of sticks and loose sticks. Write the numbers from 10 to 20 blank boxes. So write here 10 to 20 numbers. The blank boxes. See here one bundle means. So total this bundle to how many sticks are there? 10 sticks. 10 sticks. One bundle equals to 10. So here 1. 10 plus 1. 11. 10 plus 1. 11. Here total bundles to 10. Here loose sticks 1, 2. 10 plus 2. 12. So total bundle 10. Here 3. 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 3. 13. 10 plus 3. 13. So now next one here. One bundle. One bundle means how many sticks are there children? One bundle to before only saying children. How many sticks having in one bundle to 10. So how many loose sticks are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Loose sticks, 4 loose sticks. 10 plus 4, 14. So 10 plus 4 how much children? 14. Next one here one bundle having. So one bundle to how many sticks are there here? One bundle to. So how many sticks are there children? Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sticks. So one bundle to 10 sticks. And how many loose sticks having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 loose sticks. So 10 plus 5. They add both all sticks only. Here how many sticks having? Here one bundle and one 5 loose sticks 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 only. Okay. Are you understand children? So next one. So here one bundle of sticks only. So how many bundles of sticks children here? One bundle. One bundle means how many sticks are there? 10. 10. So here some loose sticks are there. So how many loose sticks having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 loose sticks. 10 plus 6. How much? 16. 10 plus 6. 16. Next one. Here one bundle means 10. So how many loose sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 loose sticks. 10 plus 7. 17. So here one bundle having. One bundles means how many sticks? 10 sticks. So plus. So loose sticks here. How many loose sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 loose sticks. 10 plus 8. 18. 10 plus 8. 18. So here one bundle. 10. One bundle to how many sticks are there children? 10. So how many loose sticks are having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 loose sticks having. 10 plus 9. How much? 19. 19. So here one bundle means 10. Here loose sticks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 loose sticks. 10 plus 10, 20. So here 20. So next one, count the bundles of sticks. Write the correct numbers in the blank boxes. See here 10 plus 1 bundle equals to 10 sticks only. Again one bundle. 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Again here 2 bundles of sticks. 2 tens. 20 plus again 1 bundle. 10. 20 plus 10. How much? 30. 20 plus 10, 30. Next one here. 1, 2, 3. 10, 20, 30. 30 plus 10. 30 plus 10, 40. 30 plus 10, 40. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens means 40 plus 1 10. 40 plus 10, 50. 40 plus 10, 50. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens, 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10, 60. 50 plus 10, 60. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens means 60 plus 10. 60 plus 10, 70. 60 plus 10, 70. 60 plus 10. How much children? 60 plus 10? 70. 60 plus 10, 70. So next one. So one bundle equals to 10 sticks. So here how many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bundles. 7 bundles means 70. So how many? Here again one bundle is there. So 10. 70 plus 10. How much children? 70 plus 10? 80. 70 plus 10, 80. So next one. Here already 80 is given. 8 bundles of sticks having 80. Again 1 bundles of sticks separated only. So 10. 80 plus 10, 90. 80 plus 10, 90. Here 9 bundles of sticks means 90 plus 10. 90 plus 10 how much? 100. 100. So all of you understand children? So what we are learning? See all of you say 10 plus 1 11. 10 plus 2 12. 10 plus 3 13. 10 plus 4 14. 10 plus 5 15. 10 plus 6 16. 10 plus 7 17. 10 plus 8 18. 10 plus 9 19. 10 plus 10 20. So are you understand? You learn these spellings also children. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So okay, learn all of you. Next one here. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 10 30. 30 plus 10 40. 40 plus 10 50. 50 plus 10 60. 60 plus 10 70. 70 plus 10 80. 80 plus 10 90. 90 plus 10 100. 100. So next one, children, here look at the ribbon. So here one red ribbon is there. Yes. Write the correct number at each dot. So each dot to correct number. Right, children. So you know, all of you. See here 0. 0 to next to 10. 20. 30. Next one 40. 30 plus 10. 40. 40 plus 10, 50 already given. 50 plus 10, 60. 70. 80 is already there. 80 plus 10, 90. 90 plus 10, 100. Okay, children? See, say the spellings. ELEVEN 11. TWLVE 12. THIRTEN 13, FOURTEN 14, FIFTEN 15, SIXTEN 16, ACVENTEN 17, EIGSTEN 18, NINETEN 19, TWNTY 20. So all of you learn, children, these spellings also. Next year, what word given? 20. TWNTY 20. That is spelling. So don't say, children, this 30, 30 only. THIRTY 30. THIRTY 30. FORTY 40, FIFTY 50, SIXTY 60, SEVENTY 70, EIGSTY 80, NINETY 90, 100, ONE1 HUNDRED 100, 100. So here 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, how much, children? 40 plus 10? 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. 90 plus 10, 100. So are you understand? Here also same like that only. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 8, 18. 10 plus 9, 19. 10 plus 10, 20. So, okay, all of you write now. See, children, here bundles to. In each one bundle to how many sticks are there? You count and write their numbers. So here also, children, you count here how many loose sticks are there, how many bundles of stick there. You see and count and write, children. So observe first of all how many bundles of sticks are having, how many loose sticks are there. So okay, children. In next topic, in next class too, I will explaining